Man, YouTube, I'm back with another banger video. Today we're going over a live trade, guys. This trade actually happened right now. Market is still open. It's 12:23. Okay, let's break this trade down. Okay, let's zoom out to the bigger picture. We are on ES. Okay, what happened? Yesterday we had this price action. Boom. Trump spoke. Market shitted. All right. Price came down. I'm not gonna lie. Seeing this happening, I'm like, yo, bro, the market is good. If the market kept going down, we're gonna go into a recession. That doesn't matter right now. Let's talk about this trade. So we marked out the pre-market lows. I chose this low right here instead of this low right here. I'm not gonna lie. You could use any one of these lows. I'm not gonna hold you. You kind of could use any one of these lows, right? Could have used this area right here because we're just trying to find a sweep or a breaker structure. Okay. So right, this yellow line. Let's go off this yellow line. Boom. Price came in. This on the 15 minutes. Hop into the 5 minute. Boom. Price came in. Went to the lows, came back up. I thought at first I thought this was gonna be the sweep, but price did not continue going up. Price decided to drop a little bit more, and then I seen this fair value gap. I seen this fair value gap. I marked it. I was like, okay, let's see how price reacts off of this level. Price came down to here. Then boom, the strong candle came into this fair value gap, and I seen a strong candle. I'm like, yo, this is gonna be a reversal. This is not gonna be a downtrend. I'm like, this is gonna be a reversal because as you can see, the buyers are just holding this zone up a lot. Right, the buyers are just holding the zone up by a lot. They're not letting nothing happen. So boom, price came up. We formed this fair value gap in here. I seen this. I'm like, okay, this is a nice setup. Now I don't know what happened. I was busy doing some school stuff, but yeah, I missed this entry right here, which is kind of getting me annoyed. Kind of getting me annoyed. Not gonna lie, missed that entry. But as you can see here, guys, we not only invert this fair value gap, but we form a bullish fair value gap inside of it. Okay. This is called an imbalance. I'm pretty sure this is an inverse fair value gap, but this is really an imbalance. Okay, so we see this happen. I'm like, okay, this is a very bullish sign. Price taps into it, wicks inside of it, comes back up. This candle forms. Boom. You take an entry. You can either take an entry on this candle or this candle, but it just really affects your. It actually really is important around here. Okay, guys. So let's say we enter in on this open, on this candle's open. Candle came down to here. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. We see the market happen. Nice. See this play come back to break even. Nice. We just smacked TP. Now, this is a pretty simple trade, guys. Very simple trade. As you can see, this bullish fair value gap forms. We wait for a candle to close below if you want to exit a position. Candle never closed below, which is a good sign. Very bullish sign, by the way, guys. The buyers are very strong in this level. Now, let's go. Let's see how much money he would have made off of this, right? Boom, let's go here. Let's go to trade. If I can find my trade buttons. Trade, buy. Okay, now set our TP up to here. And our stop loss down to here. With one contract, by the way. Okay, now this trade, reason why I kind of like and I kind of don't like this trade. This entry we got is pretty bad. Let me just remove this fair value gap because this might be why I look at it this way. This entry is pretty bad. Ideally, a good entry would be around this candle, around this area. This would be a good entry. Easy 1 to 3 if you just had a better entry. Okay, guys, if you just seen that rejection off of price, that would have been nice. But realistically, you're going to get like this entry right here. If we're being realistic, you're going to get this entry. Or around here, you're going to get this entry. Okay, guys. I do not make the rules. I just follow them. Just follow your strategy. You should win. Pretty easy. Right now, $700 stop loss on a trade. On a prop firm account, $700 stop loss is kind of crazy. The max you could lose on a prop firm is like 2K. So if you're risking 700 on a trade, shoot, that's a lot of bread. But as you can see here, we easily hit 1450 on this trade. Never went to drawdown. He might have got worked out at break even, but you should be following your plan. But yeah, as you can see, we easily just smacked this TP. Easily smacked. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go higher too. This is like one of those sniper entries. I feel like you could hold this position out all the way up to here for an easy 3K pass refunded off the rip for a nice little 1 to 3, 1 to 4 maybe. But yeah, this is a nice trade. This is the fine. This might be the final week. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check the date. I recorded it the 31st, which was Monday. Okay, so this is good. I have all videos for the week. Oh, it's Thursday, so I have one more trade for Friday, and we see how that goes. But so far, these fair value gaps are looking to be a pretty solid strategy. We see this break of structure right here. Price came down in. I was watching it, wait for, see a setup happening. See this fair value gap. This fair value gaps get fucked. Bullish fair value gaps form. We tap into it, we go long, and the market goes up. Pretty simple stuff, guys. This is a short video, 5-minute video. A 5-minute video is kind of crazy. I think I'm gonna just, you can just let this one rock, guys. Look at this. Guys, I don't know why, but my trading view is 10 minutes behind. If you look at the time, it's 12:30, but on the charts, the latest candle is at 12:15, 12:20. So I don't know. They gotta fix that. 10 minutes late. I don't like that. But yeah, as you can see right here, we're about to hit 2K pretty soon. 1 to 3. Keep in mind we normally go for 1 to 2s, but the strategy, and we smacked it pretty easily. So this is a nice trade. This trade is definitely gonna hit 1 to 3, maybe 1 to 5, who knows? 1 to 10 maybe. This is a good trade though, guys. I'll talk to you on the flip side. Peace.